Beehive.
Is that where we're going then? How far is it? Not very far.
2.2.
Everybody's got to get their pictures.
You know it.
Kind of ridiculous. You guys are nerds.
2 miles. That's very short.
Yeah. That's why usually after it, then we do something.
Here we go. I might be able to. I don't know. It's kind of bumpy. I don't really know. I guess here we go.
I remember this being wet.
Yeah, last time. It's wet.
Oh, okay.
Yep, you're right. It is wet.
Yeah, I was like, I remember this being wet.
Or just like after
I feel like we're playing leapfrog here. It's a little bit like Gorge Trail. Yeah, a lot of rocks.
like
George Path. Oh, Calvin, you finding your blue marks already, huh? Yeah, that was a little crazy, wasn't it? Hitting every blue mark. No, I will use my hands on Beehive. Okay, for as long as I can. All right, will you tell me where I'm allowed to use my hands? Okay. Okay. You hurting? What hurts?
Everything.
Probably still feeling from your lift the other day.
No.
You think it's from hiking? Well, kids are zooming away from you. What, bud? Yep, some big rocks. Were you deep in the paint cave yesterday?
I couldn't breathe.
Well, just take your inhaler. Yeah, up there's kind of where we're headed. Straight up that. I know you guys like that smell. Yeah, well, this is a pretty popular hike, so you'll see a lot more people than we did yesterday. Yeah, well, you're right. Cadillac has a lot more roots up it. Doing okay?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Hey, buddy man, wait up a second, okay? The good stuff, huh? I think we got a little ways to go yet. Yep, so we're taking a right. Oh, gotta get a picture of every sign.
Ta-da! This is so that we know.
Which hike it's from. All right, what's it say?
Result in a serious injury and death.
Small children and people with a fear of heights should not use this trail. Well, that's 3 out of the 4 of us.
Which one is not that?
Mom's not a small child. Oh, and she does fear heights. Never mind. So it's 4 out of 4.
Wait, what do you fear? Calvin is
I do not like heights.
Small children.
But Calvin
Mom has fear for small children being on the trail.
Calvin has both. He has fear of heights and he's small. I'm just small and you fear of heights.
Yep, but we've done it before. We did this 2 years ago. You guys were smaller.
Yeah. I think Miss Beth, I think she's crazy.
I don't know if they've done this one before or not.
I don't know.
I think they did. They had to have.
You might have to use your hand. Dad, now you can use your hands for this part.
You think? I'm good so far.
This is exactly what this you might need to use it.
I think my legs are a little tired from climbing Gorge Trail yesterday.
Yeah, now you can use your hand.
No, not yet. Should I yell whoa and see what Mom's face looks like? Oh, you can see sand beach out there?
Yeah, but we're gonna do this like at a.
All right, my girl.
But we're gonna enjoy this one.
There's sand feet.
I enjoy going fast.
Cadillac. And we got 0 pictures at the top.
Yeah, we did. We got plenty of pictures.
Got lots of pictures at the top. There you go, hands. Doesn't this have zipper?
That's what we're stopping to take pictures. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's faster out of your pocket.
Because I'm zipping it for the room. Do you have your GoPro on yet?
Of course.
Good.
Are we going up?
Yep, just keep
Right,
following.
do I need to put my
Yes, put your
camera away?
Yes, you do. No.
Can you keep it on your neck thing and just zip it in there?
'Cause it swings around in front of me.
Oh, the bag does?
No, the camera.
No, I mean the camera in the bag, the neck thing's still on your neck.
No, I'll strangle myself.
All right, let's get rolling. Well, here's your first tiniest bit of exposure.
Look, see, you might want to go around the left or right of the trail.
Nah, I got it.
You might want to go around the
Goes straight down.
I was gonna say, I don't want to go any further to the right, actually, Chief.
I did.
I still haven't used my hands yet. I'm gonna have to hold Mom's hand up this. Be patient up there, guys. You gotta show your mom some love. Yep.
Here comes the little ladder. You come across.
Oh, one of the ladders?
Yep. And
Cool.
these two rocks.
Cool.
Dad, you might need to use your hands.
All right, we'll see. Yeah, that looks like I might.
Go on, Mom. I'm hugging the wall. Calvin. I'm just making Mom.
All right, I'll break down and use my hands. Yep, and then you got that ladder there. Yep, I just gotta make sure my foot's not gonna slide on it. We're good. I got a video of you going across it.
Great.
Just don't fall. I mean, it'll be a good video. They're not slippy.
At least that's not like death.
I love how you're hugging the wall.
Stop.
I mean, that's not that far down.
Far enough for an injury.
Yeah, you'd hurt. Hey, no kicking rocks, girl. There's people down there. Calvin, no. Hey, there's people down there. We're not throwing rocks. This is not a throw rocks hike. That explains why you guys got in the brown water. See where it comes from? How that murky, yucky pond. All right, climbing up.
I'm chickening out.
Yeah. Guess what? Chickening out. I'm glad y'all are here to show her how it's done.
They did this 2 years ago, so this isn't their first time.
2 years ago? What the heck?
Yeah.
How old were they then?
9 and 8.
Once
No,
you get up
maybe
here, is this
10?
the only way back down?
No, you go up top and it's an easy walk down.
You have better ways to go back down.
Yeah, at this point, it's almost easier just to go up. Just is.
I'm like freaking out.
It's,
You've made it this far, yeah.
this is like one of the scariest spots right here.
I say honestly.
And as long as you can grab, like you're not going anywhere.
As soon as you get up to
But-
the top, then we always hike down a different
Yeah,
trail.
there's another trail that's like just
Yeah,
a
you don't
regular
have to
hike.
do this
Correct, correct.
Don't come back down this.
Yeah, you don't have
Much better
to.
go up.
Hey guys, you gotta wait up there. They're chilling, like they're gone. See this? Yeah, you got like,
No fear. They drag their mother along.
This kid's doing it. I said kids have no fear.
it's not so bad. I mean, there is metal everywhere for you to grab onto up here. There's more. That's one of the worst spots right here. Yeah, hey, be kind. There's metal the whole way up for you to grab onto. And it's right above your head there.
Oh, yeah, there's another one there. Perfect.
All right, you got this. Here we go.
I think that really is good.
I think that's one of the worst spots. There's one up here, I think, that you have to go around on the metal.
Yeah.
I did use my hands on that part.
Yeah. Don't worry. There's a tree up at the top, just in case.
You're doing great, dude.
Oh. Touch that. I'm touching some of them.
Okay. Just some steps here. Do you want to go in front? Okay.
There's a rod right here to hold on.
I love how you're like as far that way as you can get.
Well, no, why would I? You see a hidden bin. This is like, you can probably tumble down that without dying.
Yeah, you're not gonna die on that. I mean, it'll hurt, but you're not gonna die there. There's a holder right here. Nice steps. You waiting, bud? Oh, I see you up there, yep. Nice little ladder.
That lady was definitely having a moment.
Yeah, she was struggling a little bit.
Flat against that wall.
Yeah, I think this is the other spot we have like a ton of exposure here. Yep. This one's got the wooden bridge. Yeah, it's a little bit high. I don't know.
Going onto the railing.
You all right?
Yeah, there was not something to grab up there other than the rock.
It's a bridge.
We're waiting on the girl to stop taking pictures.
If we're gonna be up here, we're gonna have photo proof.
You got video proof. Are you kidding me? You're right here. You have video proof of you shakily taking pictures. Over the wooden bridge. I mean, that's pretty far down.
Yeah, you might have to use your hands for this.
Yeah.
That's a very long ladder. Mommy, don't think you're gonna make it up this.
Oh, she's gonna make it up. She already did this hike before. Oh, 40 makes all the difference, huh? I'm 40 now and I feel better on this hike than the first time. You got it? Okay. Your what? Well, then your guns would be out. I think half that's nerves.
I was just gonna say, probably half because of.
Yeah, you can. Hold on, I'm coming.
Don't pull myself up.
Okay. There you go. I'm right here. You're good.
Okay, maybe I told that lady wrong.
We definitely did. This is the worst part here. This you just have to climb. Just climbing it. You're doing great. You getting nervous? All right. Wait for me and I'll come get you. It's a nice crack right here.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, there we go.
Yep, we have to go around the mountain.
Yep. That's how it goes.
Is it a good Mom?
There's a crack right there too. Yep. Good hold.
It's not a good hold.
Why?
It's very slippery.
Your hand's sweating.
Uh-huh.
Need help? You got it? Now this could leave a mark if you were to fall down that.
Just wash your shoulder.
I'm good. I'm doing just fine. Hannah? You doing a panoramic?
This might be a little interesting.
Yep, just wait for us, bud.
There's Dad to be behind me on this.
Yep, I'm coming. Just wait right there.
Calvin Moore.
You're making your mama nervous.
I'm holding on to the bar.
You're in there.
I saw you.
And this is flat right here. Like you're not gonna go, whoa! No kidding.
Gosh.
It's a long way
I'm a
down.
little stuck there. Yeah.
No, you're not. You're good.
I don't need to be
You're much better at climbing. I got this. I remember this part. This is where Hannah went up first last time, and then Calvin, then me, then Mom. Okay, just wait right here, bud. All right, Hannah, you good? All right.
Crawl like a toddler if you need to.
There's another rod over here. There's 2 rods.
Yep, there's plenty of room. We got it. There's a rod right on top there, Ange.
I'm holding on to the tree.
Better not see that lady at the top.
Why is that? She's gonna yell at you.
Like, no.
Nah, we're good. All right, dude. Crushing it. All right, just wait there. Wait for your mom a bit. You're fine right there. Oh, you got a good seat. You could just stand up.
Cannot just stand up.
You're doing fine.
Yeah, this is a good rock right here.
You guys are great.
Right here, Dad, you can point up.
What's that? You don't want to do this one again? We did this 2 years ago.
Wonderful.
This is wonderful, huh?
Yes.
I know, this is your favorite one.
There you go, Mom. You get a nice flat section up here. And you got a beeline, maybe?
Nah, you're good.
Yeah, Mom, you got a little beeline if you want to. Wait. You can just walk around on the edge, Mom. Yeah,
I don't think that's likely to happen.
right close to the edge.
Do you want me to be behind you, or you got it?
I'd rather be on the
You want me behind you?
rocks.
Ooh, you are dripping.
I am profusely dripping.
Here we go. Yeah, I think that's all the hard stuff now. I think you're good now.
On the edge of death.
You're not on the edge of death.
We survived it 2 years ago.
Yep. He did all the hard stuff already now.
People this time.
Yeah, last time there was quite a train.
See, nice flat fish.
That water's not full.
Not that lot, the upper lot.
Wow.
The small lot was full.
We gotta go all the way to the top.
Hold on.
Thank you. You see the bird flying over top?
All right. I'm gonna roll by here. Well, kind of. Yeah, if you go past this, bud, you get into the trees again. We will.
We are going all the way up.
Hey, we'll go.
We're not turning. We're definitely not turning around.
No, we're gonna go all the way across. We'll go to Gore Mountain again.
Very few people go back down that.
I want to go back down it, but
The only problem is there's so many people coming up. All the way to the top. A few trees up here, but
I'm going all the way up.
yeah, we'll go all the way to the top. Oh, that was fun. I'd do that again. Not nearly as scary as last time.